Abusia Bobbie Ansah ene Ghana fo no bi ababo mo adwen pa hard one e de akire sofo panyini Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams tin ya fa empire wo chese ye monfa ma GoldBod jumede because GoldBod no asa honboni bi asat e we kidita GoldBod o be se one GoldBod e boka chese GoldBod edumugu ase o sofo we kan sem si nyina so monpa from GoldBod na no ana NDC journalist ba ko ayefa no Bobbie Ansah o ma be komadwen e de akire sofo panyini me dem o ha no mo as Penyah DCA any about €100. Best was said in the council. Obey me subscribe button so that over time notification icon on for latest update. Now better why and mama e will comment section hold mo. E ya no share amonu aso enya biahwe. Na me kan fo NGX Limited ena de amount. Omu tu nsuo botam kro bedwa bodum akotu nsuo e de amount. Ye say to swimming pool e de kan we be na kama e de amount. Se ewu nsuo ana efin abamu a ye say treat nsuo e de kan ho an omu ho aka de ye be siesie nsuo na ye fin abamu the taste ayesa as all the scent bi omu no ye be treat ama kama pa omubo solar panel ene power plant e kan ho is idea bi afa engineering hu bi ade free NGX Limited no mo twem na idea bi afa plumbing hu bi ade all kinds of plumbing works omu saye bi e wo omu aso ye ho no omu number no ene gu asen fa na no twem komo na omu asa kwans omu no mbo de e da from pa fofo. Let's go to the story. Ebusa ye no achi Sunday ye ana Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams agent as for them and obedin komo bi na say odin komo de for GoldBod jumedie because of Bekaya 2025 no IMF at the report by said Ghana ye gold edwede a di yet for afe 2025 ya boka GoldBod jumedie abo Bank of Ghana to the sum of $1.7 billion or got it is kanmu 200 trillion any actually GoldBod abwa ama Bank of Ghana abo sankwase akama Emma eno be deja e wo Ghana ha Emma be na sem jamfi kwa e defend say oh ya moka obia ntimi ga say GoldBod aboka not even IMF sem jamfi make it that statement no e be kame obia man say won't forget it hey disregard the lies forget about the propaganda GoldBod hasn't run at loss ya moka nyina no ya forget here but Sunday no ana so panyini Archbishop Duncan Williams say there be wonyinya course bi ana Samuel Alaji bi as a malam bi Fred no some say o kan sembi ani nyina fa say gold smuggling hun sembi ni nkomo bi ekoso kire ni some orchestrations bi ekoso okay or narrative a whole lot of story I will ask for them.
The illegal miners is like a cartel, a very powerful force to reckon with. And many years ago, I was somewhere in the Middle East. I won't mention the exact country, and I have the privilege of meeting some very powerful people from the family, the ruling family. And whilst talking, it came out that a lot of gold, illegal gold, had come into their country, and they had registered it, bought it, registered it, and that the illegal gold that they received was more than all the legal gold that Ghana was able to register. But the illegal ones was even more than what the Ghana government then sold to them. And the Ghana government had no trace or idea of this illegal gold. It was so much money. And after some years, when the GoldBod was set up, they couldn't buy the gold anymore illegally. So somebody contacted me. If I knew somebody at the GoldBod I could talk to so they can purchase the gold. And the volumes of money they were talking about was no joke. And all that money was going to the illegal gold miners until the board was set up to stop that and to help to regulate it. And somebody was telling me about certain places in Ghana where you go in the forest and they have a clinic, a supermarket, and they have filling stations and a whole city and armed people in Ghana here in the forest. And it's controlled by illegal miners, and some of them are foreigners. That we need to pray for the GoldBod. And I'll tell you why. With what I was told by this sheikh and the calls I had that they can't get the gold like before illegally, so they want some channels to the GoldBod so they can purchase the gold now from the GoldBod. It's clear to me that the GoldBod is dealing with a very powerful movement. People very, very established who knows and understand the field and how to do this and don't want the right thing to be done. And in the name of politics, we are destroying the future of our children and our grandchildren.
Because of that, Emma Ghana GoldBod, because inipa bi planet bone etia GoldBod no. Emma video pop up on the internet. Na eno ana Bobbie Ansah se there bi. So can say ayate, but I was here to me floors of Penyah. Now obetire mu. Enipa ben na ese ofre na obusa no sa person ni did that illegal way of acquiring gold home common. Enipa be a floors of Penyah every betire because ultimate cancel we emu from him. I'm fan who ni
Bishop Duncan Williams. You see, the first video no say Sheikh be friend no say since inception of the GoldBod, ama omo trade gold illegally eko outside no. Omo adwumaye eko from. It Sheikh ne friend or no Duncan Williams. No dia tunanim say nkonfra no ntumbi na GoldBod for engo system no mu no munya kwai emfa eniema no nko outside. Kwame ekroma niema asofo eje fancy hunu opama this same way anadwo no mbe fa no say yenko Sheikh kro no ho. Go and show us that sheikh. Who is that sheikh? Because Utie Duncan Williams Komodima, which means that sheikh were you kingpin in the Galamsey, were you kingpin in the illegal trading of gold. Because Obia what to me Abaya Ogbora to be for Fred Duncan Williams dear. You can imagine. So, but Duncan aka, papa na aka. The aka no bonini ho. Bonini say, papa, boni panini. Chire ye nipa kro. Abawe mu, obi an obetumi afred Duncan Williams ebusa na say hwan. You don't have authority to ask me that. And we'll stand upon the altar and call upon God and ask God. Because there are certain things inimuna oka na madwin to me ya wa hwa mano apa to me sia sori dem because asem ni bi wo say eya na se bonsam ne be so mu se wo mo agimi o untimi hu o man bi anyone ani abrese obeko tu eye illegal mining as galam say eya anka Duncan Williams yem frɛ no musa dasem eye Sheikh Penyah papa kire ye na ye ni abre wo kro im pa kire ye eya hwan now osi otu kwai anu ani abusua bi omo ayeye pa omo didi o gold plate mu ekodidi ye ene hono nso omo eka kire ono Duncan say na say illegal mining no sales no kofom na GoldBod no buy na ma omo no to eye illegal gold every Ghana na abafom so of where you gold echo papa here for eskafo be no a unti mo mudin wo wiase se nkrofo ya dia wo mo yeni no aka tell se me yesofo nti se nkrofo be ka asem kire me a me de ni kwa se me be ka se unim se untimi nkire a emeka nkire ye So untimi ntra. Yes, Daniel, yenim dada, but one day was shake Penyah. So unim say untimi money panidia. Duncan Williams, first out trim, the first out them. But also be boye ama yakko illegal mining no. No atre ye say e ye shake way. Na abaya pekino. No so atre ni a pekino. Ni a that because they say Duncan Williams am my lead. In investigations, you just need a lead. And Duncan, shake Penyah. Catch the tell us, shake Penyah. I hear for now, Kodi Yamu. Your friend say, you go a free akono. Oh, he thought he's saying something nice about GoldBod, which is true. Everything he said, yes, GoldBod is doing well. But elements be warm, red flags be warm. Let's know. Fire call. Near what the cry koso. I hear for now, Okodidi, Omufia, Omuto illegal gold. Then we will know the source. Then we start tracking. Mr. Duncan Williams, America on to me kodi san komo we America da osuro. Say be because America. Ya omani nyina ekon etu ase. Na Duncan Williams atimi akọ America kroma ka kire mo say sa boni we ya ekoso no onipa bia na ye sa boni no ni edi enkomo say ni na onenamo a pota nka den sa no nka bi beba be ka ho de we na ateno ka ba ko be se abeka ho. But Ghana de yesum wo mo kroma yesum asofo ne imamfo ti imam biedin kwasiade no afa ne ho adi. Won se kwa me synagogue asore no. Won se Nigeria ni bia be video. Edidi Ghana for atem say e den na Nigeria ni sofo tim betra kroma yesa. Say ma block Spintex Road. Synagogue asore o. Edru kwasiada no ma block Spintex Road. Na nkrofo nya ba bi emfa. Kwasi asem me metua tax ama me ye dia ye kwai ni wie ya obi okura Bible afa Bible no asini trase ke kan kwasi asem so obi synagogue na synagogue no me ba bia ye se me twika efa ema me ho etwa me ho bai me no ono ababa be sisa kwai no anu oye yiri baba jimi eni yehwe jimi kwasi ade ne etikroma na obi ade na nitwe sa jimi no. Why should you allow a church to do this? Uko Zongwa, ya the cars are block road. Anya sekidia, imam dia, anya imam dia, alaji dia, anya alaji dia, haji dia, untbinka. So, I know a fan, ya know so, I sorry for the cars are block quite so omono ya sorry. Yankwasi ade, yamwasem, ya jimisem, where ya di bumai. We yadi bumai. Kwame fa ayi die no eto ma me ayi kusibuati also say Ose Bernard fa kusibuati dia fa to ma me na me mfanwi fa to ma me na Patrick Chemebusa no say nti Duncan Williams ne point ni say ka o ka shake no akire ye shake kro ka o ka say okodidi wo ba bia omo ne to illegal no atsere ye nkrofo kro. That is what we want to know. Papa, please enkomo ni bo papa abedi ama nkronkron lidi wo ma nkronkron ka ho so ubeke kan sembia ye mpenkyere ya ubeti ye voice ubeti ye nka ye voice no ye timi boy emrimu no ye part so de ne pepepe tu be ka sema bompa ye eguso ne ka sire me kwai no na nkronkron fa mu no omo aye na galamse na ye den ye serew pa ye ni abre me jese ma hu obi otu galamse me kwa akoka
na kwa ada side of the video so say any say ma Ghana for ni be e cathedrals of Penyah.
Ghana for some fake pastor be fake politician pastor Duncan Williams or den Wabawo enti obeji on so obia na wom say den nkameko omo friend saying but tell you ho e say one of ndwuma bi I make ye go bebre no I say ye say da nya boafo wo bibi a me won nti ama edwuma ne kosuro kakra nti me the letter come no ko be 3 weeks on be reply Jame adwuma no so delay. Boys in bebree gufia they are waiting more than me kakra 30 people are still waiting because adwuma no eso. Anye adwuma baako. Ento me man say me ko we na me ko twa video Duncan Williams. O kasa. I can't show Duncan Williams or a wicked man. You see? Duncan Williams wa me tie me ye Duncan Williams sabapa no. Na first no ye an robber. An robbers no mu twituo. E di say amanfo so. E robu o mu buburo na Duncan Williams no ye bi. Ade kakra me ko so Duncan Williams say alleged na ne papa e yo mo organizing crofo mo mu ko di amanfo bone e ye demonstration e ye sa ntutura asem no. Those time no ye ma MP before. Now ente Duncan Williams gini besua e. Ono so bedane an robber kese pa wo Ghana. Menka wo ya obetwa papa na obonsa ne nsa se yetwa eye Robin na aye ne sa papa we say wa resign from Robin sisi obey pastor we fi akronfo ma ba ewifuom sa na ete na papa we be share politics echi e de Bible kata nani papa we pe na oye pastor oba Ghana Nyankopon so onya so ko Nyankopon friend ka che ne say ono no mo mpa ma dollar na dollar anye den embra down Oko boss empire within $1 week na dollar no rise here. From there na dollar crash here. So ko asofofo we no we ote ho ehwe MPP han MPP ni Akufo-Addo. Ba omia mo be di Ghana wu. Say $745 billion US dollars. That when the Nyankopon ntuma ma Duncan Williams anka wan asem. Nyankopon ma Duncan Williams ahonde ma ne de ta ekire e mo ko Galamsey site e ko bomb pai say Galamsey na amanfo tutu na esay amanfo nsuo esay amanfo stomach amanfo ekwo a omonya infection nkola no be sa ebi mu ani ebi mu adane yalefo no nsuo no saade no omonom no Duncan Nyankopon ma na wonde ma no ko bompa say Galamsey ni nkoso ma Galamsey ni koso Nyankopon ma Duncan Williams ahonde ma ne tena Ghana ma asofofo no bi ani mpenifo no bi mu Ako share Galamsey mu that is catch him 2 years. Eboa MPP say Ghana for 8 years. Nyankopon eboa Duncan Williams way. Ama omo dada oman Akufo-Addo release almost 1 billion so mun kosi so ko cathedral. Ema asofofo ni gi sika ni di ye. Duncan Williams way o papa way. O gina way. Eya me ya say nipa bi ni mi nyansa na nipa bi say etumi kwatena sa apado way. Asori dem say Nyankopon afre Weyo, that's in a hawk. This time Ghana ye nabro, we a penina mbuwa, obeje, una way wine. I hear say 1 year papa na politics in a wood dinner me. No be can quite some chair there. Ye be watching. What you say? Duncan Williams. Me abra President John Mama share me a video na tell. February na me a video. Say President John Mama show who ye na so kwa asofo ni mpedifo na imfofo bia. Omo share President John Mama no they are the devil. Omo ye wicked. Enkwafo we no mo ko organize de ba de say mo bompa de be da magana mo de Nyankopon ama ma adwene say mo magana yeyi ana mo fa so ko ma won de mutum ne fa mo magana magana yeyi mo de Nyankopon ma won de say mo mbre Ghana se e mo wi a mo be gina ka yan say mo bompa Duncan Williams you are there you are there. God didn't give you idea or mind how to talk to Akufo-Addo and Bawumia. So munja nsembo no mo de Ghana efemu omo say o man we na wa ha ene mu na wunye sika na se na nse ya sami je fi ko GoldBod dia Nyankopon afra ka je se honhum bi akotena ho enti no mo mpa ma sa honhum no meboa wo sa papa we wan hwe ni ya honhum Nyankopon betua wo ka ene ahonhum ma o betua wo ka wa asase we su honhum. I'm telling you, Ubehu say, when I saw kwa asofofo no na mo ye no, Nyankopon bi enu ho, mo de mo adwene na edidi. Na Duncan Williams me ka kire wo. Say wo ahonde a, hu ni say wo beton Ghana. Your records are there. You are no bigger than nobody. It's we the blacks that ye nimi nyansa, and your papa no. And a munya kwa be kan kwa asem kire wo. Duncan Williams, you are there when all this thing take place. Abra na say abro nya na odidi wa atemi kura yi. Na ye nti abro nya ase ye nyina be so kamera didi abro nya atem sana o live tie abro nya koso na didi papa na atem no deserve it mu wi a na mo de nyame kata mo ani so e na mbebo mpae e na mbedom ye e na mo be kese ye e na makofa na ntwi ho mo na mo de oyel gum e na mo ye sei mo betuma asoma manfo kra mo mata ketake a manfo asif mo di bonishes wo ase And then the Yankopo Homo, Duncan Williams, if you no keep quiet, more of your expose is going to come. And I bet you're going to go down to your church. Do you think you are damn? Hey, you're better so company, Funbiana Mbabe of Achreon. President Mama, I hear none say, or be close to one of Casa President Mama, for me a wicked, and for way in a motsiha, and more my way, a course to say. That's when we begin. I bet catch say, in whom we a good border. Nasa woman, Tamwa, MP power, Nasa woman in war, and MP before, at a hawk. Emma, Ghana gold, or movie idea for South Africa. Emma, South Africa, lazy people like this, they become, the most Africa country are no more good. And they are Ghana actually on way few also. Yes, na gold field. Ya bando mufi Ghana, and you should be on me good navy. I'm going to say, Jinji. As of for now, I didn't know, so I'll be before now. Maybe no, I found your market money. Some of me and the body barrier, some bloody ambi, and I go there, I say, and I'm here, Groma, not to say. One can say to me, Jinji. Someone you come, I found your market body. Just say, I can't radio stations, and a permission or your interview. Oh, PCFM. Na me so sa apa de we nyankopɔ be tua bi before kanu ayo mo nim se omo wo sika omo wi o ma na nye sika ana they can go locations akese nto mo nim se nothing can defeat them ba ya na mo wi visa 6 feet no bi entumi ana mo wi visa nyome bi wa ya sika entumi mo ka say money that's all but mo hwe ne ye na enye nipa no na ebe ye mu se mo match na wo se mo magana nye ye dia ene ahomadi nka baga na mo betu ya mo nyo obi a da ahom no mo penisim ene be tua mo ka ekosi mo ase fucking people.
The National Cathedral, which is supposed to bring glory to God, which was supposed to bring, tourist attraction, a very monumental edifice that Nana Akufo-Addo wanted to erect in the memory of God. Nanka Christopher Sunya Utosono. I didn't see Duncan Williams raise his church to pray that it should come to fruition. But today, NDC is in government. Duncan Williams was on the board of the National Cathedral with a certain title they call Archbishop, which I am yet to see in the Bible. He was on the board of the National Cathedral. Not once did I see Duncan Williams put ministers of God together to pray that the National Cathedral will come into fruition. They worked against it because it was MPP in power, because it was a Akufo-Addo in government. Even when Akufo-Addo had invited them to be part of the board, because he felt that he needed men of God to help bring this thing into fruition, I never saw Archbishop Duncan Williams once pray that this thing should come into being. Today, NDC is in government, and Duncan Williams, rather than pray for God's cathedral to come into fruition, he wants us to pray for GoldBod, because we're not dreaming. A certain force, God have mercy on the ignorant people who sit under the feet of these men to want to learn about God. We are not afraid of men. I will never kowtow to any man, because Bible say you have only one Father. Today they allocate to themselves huge titles. These were the Pharisees that Jesus Christ was talking about. So if you don't win yourself of these things, you begin to worship human beings rather than worshiping God. Because almost summoning the Bible, a boy bra completely. Or say where your treasure is, that is where your heart will be. Maybe I will good now. What happened today that Duncan Williams wants us to pray for gold? I was even expecting, so Becca said, Galamsey is killing people. A whole town is being submerged underwater. So people should raise their voices and pray against Galamsey. He is praying for GoldBod. God have mercy on us. God have mercy on the people who use his pulpits to preach politics rather than holiness. And then, as for ya, when we were kids, when we started Christianity, when we were young, they told us, so the will to even work hard to gain money, to make wealth, was not there for Christians. Christians felt that back in the days, shoes, television, those things. If your heart is after such things, you are heading towards hellfire. Today, there are those who are commanding such things. Riaseniama has become the order of the day in the Christendom. They preach earthly things. They have forgotten about all the righteousness that they used to preach about. Today, the one who has more money, who has more wealth, is the one who sits at the right hand of the pastors. They have lost their way, and we will not be afraid to tell them. I have one account to give. Also, work out your own salvation with fear and trembling. I will not allow any minister of God to lead my soul to hell. These men have lost their way. Today you are preaching and you are praying for gold rather than praying for Galamsey to cease. May the Lord have mercy on them. You couldn't pray to sustain and retain the national cathedral. But we are praying that GoldBod will be protected. Na meaning say Quebec say ye mom pa na Galamsey na ati say Galamsey na ton so ema in so toma nipa thousands of Ghanaian people. Archbishop Duncan Williams will lift up his voice against it. But you are rather praying for God to protect the gold so that gold will not be smuggled. If we are cinema gold near the coin when we were kids.
Ubet matera wa adwen da mame e wo comment section. How you Penyah Block Media. Agra.